If your Safari in the iPad Pro is suddenly get stuck or frozen while working and it's happening more and more often, keep watching this video. We will show you some tips to fix this Safari frozen problem in iPad Pro. Let's check it out. If the Safari in the iPad Pro is completely unresponsive, then you would need to do a forced restart or soft reset. Quickly press volume up button then volume down button. Now press and hold the power button. You might see the power slider, but don't release the power button until you see the Apple logo. It will fix minor software glitches, and if your Safari is still having the problem, then try out the next way. If your iPad Pro is not running in the latest software, it could be causing the problem. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, check if you have any updates or it is running in the latest iPad OS. If there are too many apps running in the background, it could be causing the problem, so close them all. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You will see all the apps running in the background. Just swipe up on the apps one by one and they will be closed. When they are all closed, you will go back to home screen. One of the major cause of this problem is if there are too many cache and cookies saved on Safari history. You can clear it and it should fix the issue. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Safari, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data, tap Clear, and all the cache cookies along with the complete history of Safari will be deleted. These are the tips you should follow if you want to fix frozen Safari problem on iPad Pro. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it was helpful. You can check out our iPad Pro playlist for more videos about it. Subscribe Apple Tricks for tips and tricks for Apple and Android devices. Thank you.